So let's find the sum of the series with xn terms. X can be any constant. So for example, you have this question. These are the terms of the series and we have to find, and they go to 3n terms. So how will you deal with this? Well, you make groups of 3 and then you make a series with these groups of 3 and they go to n terms because they are 3n terms. If they ask for 2n terms, you would have made groups of 2 and those would go to n terms. So now they ask for 3n terms, so you'll make groups of 3 and they go to n terms. So when you add up these values, you get 1. So that is the first term of the new series. When you add up these values, you get 7. And when you add up these values, you get 13, sorry. And so now you have A1 as 1, this here. And the common difference D is 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. And n is equal to n because we have to find Sn in terms of n. So how will you do this? Well, you write down the equation, the formula to find Sn. And when you plug in the values, you basically get this. So Sn is equal to n into 3n minus 2. And that's about it really.